the Wolves are proud to congratulate Shane Harper as this year's Dan Snyder Man of the Year Award winner.
Over to the right side for Perry. Regner to the left now for Canoni. Canoni moves to the corner, touch pass, Perry across, Harper just missed! Oh, the setup was there for Perry to Shane Harper.
Oh, boy.
And here, a chance now for Braun, 2-on-1, Braun shoots, Clubby the save! Canoni squeezes ahead for Perry. Kept in by Harper, he shoots wide. Off the corner, Kieran, away from the long range of Brodeur. 3-on-2 for Toronto. They get some help late. Backdoor for McKegg, he scores! Perry broke it up, but McKegg stayed strong to open up the scoring. A chance now on a break, Climbing out on the poke check. Bank and Toronto up 2-0. That is a goal from back behind the net. It glanced in. Love will dump it in deep. Parayko first man on it. He swings it loose for McRae. McRae turns it over and a chance. Climbing, a glove save, and then it's batted home by Fratton.
Well, lots of time remaining. In fact, we've got 36 minutes, but you better wake up here.
Canoni shot in tight. Canoni a second try in the backhand, just missed.
You got to get going. You got to focus on your game here. Play hard.
Henry cuts in. He shoots. Bibo rebound, and he protected. The Wolves transition.
Thank heaven he's 7 feet tall. Nice play by Brodeur. Good hustle.
Nylander has a breakaway this time. Alone shoots, he scores! A bullseye short side. And Nylander makes it 4-0. Leipzig drops it off and a chance down the slot for Brown, and he caught the back glass and out comes well short-handed with Payarvi. They crisscross, dropped off for Payarvi. Shields joins late, Welsh shoots, he scores! Jeremy Welsh, the former Utica Comet, gets his 4th short-handed goal of the season. Wolves kill off the 4 minutes. Fabry working in. Deeds hands it off for Parayko. Fabry shoots, he scores! Robbie Fabry's first pro goal, and he has points in 3 straight games since turning professional. The Wolves change up some troops. Perry fresh on the ice, takes the handoff. Perry shoots. Bibo a bobble, but he covers. Across to Brodeur. Welsh is down low. Brodeur cuts in, shoots, blocked again by Nicholson.
Unbelievable.
Leipzig finds an opening, and Brennan will score from center.